Yeah, that ain't right. First things first, pop the hood. Now this is the specific light bulb that we needed for our model. You'll need to look up your specific model for what your make is, but this is a Ford Explorer 2012. So we're gonna find this, it looks like a cylinder right underneath there, and the rubber gasket just pops right off of it. And then you can reach in, grab that bulb, just make a little turn to your left, and then it'll pop right out. And then there's just a little bit of a clip on it that you need to get off to release the dead bulb from the socket. Once you have that released, you can bring in the new bulb, place it back in the socket, make sure the clip grabs onto it, and then reinsert it and make your cord turn over. And after you're done with that, just take the rubber gasket and refit it into the cylinder. That's more like it. Dad at home. A Busy Bee channel.